Okay, so currently we're in Russia, we're in Moscow, and I guess if I have some international followers, I hope so, they will be very excited to see the view, because this is like a traditional Russian building and we're going through some places now. And this kind of makeup is very provocative for Moscow. People usually look at me like, what the fuck she's wearing? What the fuck she's wearing on herself? What's this makeup? But who cares?
My name is Kristen, I'm 23 years old, I'm from Russia, Moscow. Makeup is a big part of my life. It's been 10 years I've been wearing makeup. Every day I do a different style because of a different inspiration. I'm very proud of myself about this, and makeup is a form of my freedom. Makeup is a form of my self-expression.
Like, it's been 10 years of hard lifestyle for me, so this is okay for me. I think we're going left, no? Yeah. So.
Oh, no. No, Dima,
Okay.
no.
Are you sure you want to go in the car?
No, Chris.
Oh, Chris, no. Wait, I need to check where I should go. Just give me a second.
So I'm ready to show the world every day a new style. The first time doing my makeup was about a long time ago. I was in a summer camp and my girlfriends, they were doing makeup for a night out, and I got inspired by the way they were trying to look glamorous, and they were like 11 or 12 years old, and it was so much fun just applying some lipstick and feeling so fabulous. My first makeup inspiration was probably Bill Kaulitz from Tokyo Hotel. It was my favorite music band on that moment. I was a big fan of Bill Kaulitz, he was my celebrity crush. Avril Lavigne, she was such an emo girl with white hair and pink locks. I don't know, she was an icon. I was saving all the pictures on my Nokia phone, and I was getting inspiration like every day. Also, I was inspired by a lot of trash models. I don't know, like, yeah, they were called trash models. There was one girl, her name was Audrey Kitchen. She's like still on top because I'm following her on Twitter. She has an amazing style now. She has pink hair, but on that moment she had like those trashy hairstyles, and she was like so crazy, and she had like a lot of black eyeshadows, and all my makeup inspiration was going through them, and I was really inspired by them. As a young girl, I had a very strict family. My grandmother and grandfather, they are kind of old stylish, and they were against bright makeup, and they were saying, oh my god, you're 12 years old, you're 13 years old, how can you do this, how you cannot go out with this makeup. But I'm very thankful to them because they taught me how to look when you're like 13, because when you're 13 you're a kid, and no matter how you like something or you don't like something, you should be a kid, and I'm thankful to them for having my childhood. But still, if we compare my childhood to people who are 13 now, everything is kind of different because people have less boundaries, they have less troubles with that. But I'm still glad I was born on that year, and I'm still glad that I had that childhood, and no matter what, I'm happy. And even if I had some troubles with my parents about makeup, the troubles, they were not that big. So yeah, that's it. That's my life. All the girls, they were painting their lips with the foundation. They were applying foundation for their lips, and then they were just applying the gloss. And it was awful. I've been through that stage. And also I hate the moment when I was painting like very bright eyebrows. They were like totally black, almost black, like dark brown color, and they were very geometric. I don't know how to say this in English in the right way, but they were ugly. Those two trends, I hate them. I hate them about my past. I went to school probably, and my school was a very strict school also. I had a school uniform. I had everything what I didn't want to. I mean, I couldn't wear any makeup on. I couldn't even make my nails colorful. We couldn't even talk about makeup. Even like mascara, it was a strange thing for the school. So most of the school years until I guess 9th grade, it was like my final grade. Then I went to university. Yeah, I think all the years I was going to the school without makeup, and I'm still thankful for that because I had my childhood, and I think it's amazing. I think it's amazing when you have something like what makes you feel like a young person, you know, because yeah, lately it's a big problem that girls about the age of 12 or 13, they're trying to look older, and it was like kind of my mistake when I was young, and I'm very thankful for that, to my school teachers, to my family, and to everyone who is involved to my youth. I've got no regrets, but the mistake I made when I was, I think, 18 or 19, I wanted my eyebrows to be on fleek all the time, so I did microblading. It's kind of a tattoo thing, but through ages, your eyebrows, they become mostly red, or if you do a tattoo, they become blue. Thanks God, I didn't make a tattoo thing, so I made a microblading, so now my eyebrows are a little bit red. And the minus of this thing that what the hell, but the plus is that I can make I see the contour of my eyebrows and I can just paint them very easily. So I don't know, but I still hate this shit. But yeah, it was my mistake. I'm never doing a tattoo thing on my face anymore in the future, and I hope my face is going to be saved and I'm not going to be regulated by any new makeup ideas and trends. Fuck that. My first professional makeup experience was when I was 16. I was invited to work with some production company. They were working with photo shoots and video making, and someday they called me and they told me, Kristen, we need someone not that beautiful, but someone interesting, someone with an interesting face. And I was like very confused, like, oh my God, I'm not beautiful. Okay, fuck that. Okay, I'm in. And I came to the photo shoot, and my first makeup, like, was very strange. All my face, it was gold. They make it like a golden face, and it was like a metallic style, and it was kind of my first professional photo shoot. Yeah, it was kind of strange experience because my first makeup was a weird makeup, and that was the beginning of my weird makeups forever. But yeah, before that shoot I had another shoot. It was commercial shoot for some brand. It was an accessories brand. They made some hairstyle, very interesting hairstyle for me, but that makeup, it wasn't kind of weird. It was like a very nice makeup, and that was the first time I felt like a model. I felt very beautiful. I felt like I can work with the camera. It was my first professional shoot, and after that I had like that shoot with some gold metallic colors. Yeah, it was a very nice experience, and yeah, I'm very happy that I met those people. They taught me a lot. It's always a very nice experience working with different makeup artists, because we don't work like I come to the studio and they just create something random, what do they like on me. No, I like to work with them and I like to communicate with them. I like to speak about the mood board with them and to be involved in the idea of makeup. That's just me, that's part of my creativity, and that's why I'm a good friend of a lot of makeup artists, because I feel like I'm a part of this makeup process. I'm just more than just a model. I'm a kind of a makeup artist, but from the other side. Yeah, that's my experience. That's what I'm going through, and I love makeup sphere. It's a big industry. It's a very powerful industry, and yeah, that's amazing. I think there are no makeup trends at all lately, and if you hear like, oh, there is a new makeup trend, I think this is like all marketing, because every makeup is very different in every country, every makeup style, you know, every makeup, you know, everything. But I think that lately, makeup can show your personality, and every person has a different personality. That's why everyone can have different makeup style, and you all can show your personality through it. So this is very beautiful, and I'm very proud to live in this year, in this country, and in this community. I'm very proud of it, and I'm very proud of what I can do to myself. I can do anything to myself, and I don't care what people say, because this is my personality, this is just me. Just accept me for being myself, that's it. I hate nothing about makeup trends, because, as I said before, every makeup trend is a form of self-expression, and everyone has a different self-expression. So maybe the only thing I hate about, it's not about the makeup, it's about the whole beauty thing. I hate big lips. Yeah, I don't have like such big lips, but I hate that everyone tries to be like everyone, and everyone makes this fillers, makeup, like lip fillers. I don't know how it's called in English, but most of girls in Russia, they just use fillers, yes, or Botox, I don't know. So they make their lips look bigger, and I don't know, today I hate this, but maybe tomorrow I'm gonna do this. I mean, not tomorrow, but you know, in the future. I never say never, but lately I hate this, and I think it's very stupid to try to look like someone. Come on, you can just do something else. You can just do other style of eyebrows. You can do like maybe something with your nose, or you just can, come on, like you can do your lips bigger with just a lipstick today, and tomorrow you have a different mood and you can just have small lips. Maybe tomorrow the fashion is going to be different. That's what I think about the lips. Yes, that's just like my opinion. I'm sorry if you disagree with me, but yeah, that's my opinion. There won't be any particular makeup trends in the future as we had in 2008 and as we had in 2010. I hope there won't be anything but personality and freedom. But I don't know, like my favorite thing about makeup is the eyes, so maybe I'm going for eye trends, any eye trends, like even the lenses for the eyes. Maybe it will be on hype in the future, so hopefully. But I don't think there will be any strict makeup trends in the future. Depends on our culture, depends on everything what's going on around the world. So yeah, that's it.